Pallets. Pallets everywhere. Now I've been breaking these down with a hammer and a crowbar, which honestly is tedious, time consuming, and generally a pain in the ass. Luckily I watch YouTube, and Mark over at DanerMade gave me some inspiration to make short work of these little guys. I'll have a link in the description box. Go ahead and check them out. And here's Mark making short work of pallets with his pallet buster. Very nice. So here's a head of mine, or what will be my pallet buster. I've taken some repurposed C-channel from whole bed frame, welded it together, make square stock, because the price of square stock is ridiculous. There's the handle. I'll be making 1-inch welds every about foot, make it nice and sturdy. It's a nice long handle, about 4 foot long. So the issue currently is that's about where I want the handle to go. But as you see, I've got a little bit of empty space there, so what we're going to do is weld this little extra piece on the top, so we got a nice full weld on the head to the handle. That's where most of your torque's going to be. Is this over-engineered? Probably. As you could see earlier, Mark's is pretty simple, light. At this point, I've actually made this complete, so yeah, it's a pretty hefty guy. I could probably also use it for a sledgehammer in a pinch, and it does work very, very nicely. So I'll have links down in the description box for Mark's channel. Check him out. He does some amazing stuff with pallets. Has a lot of good videos, a lot of interesting stuff. I did end up making some edits to Mark's original design, which make it an absolute dream to use, which I will be stringing that video together soon, so stay tuned. If you like this kind of content and you want to see the full video once I have it dropped, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Now for some speed welding.
Yeah, I don't want it with me, all of the homies are shooters. That's the FBI, hacking in all my computers. I drink booze and I get stupid, shoot you in your heart like Cupid. Dude, it's just like Eminem said in that song, I just lose it. I'm the one that y'all should be afraid of. Popping y'all with shots from a helicopter with chain guns. Biggest current independent rapper in the game, cause